Welcome to Slice Engineering's 12 Days of Christmas. If you love 3D printing, this is the holiday event you do not want to miss. Let me tell you what's happening. Every day from December 9th to December 20th, we're dropping a brand new sale on some of our most popular 3D printing essentials. Everything from hot ends to nozzles, accessories, and even more. But here's the kicker. Each deal is only available for one day, so make sure to check back daily. And that's not all. Every order placed during these 12 days earns you double entries into our sweepstakes for a chance to win a Bambu Lab X1C combo, an incredible 3D printer that takes your projects to that next level. What makes the X1C combo so exciting? It's a Core XY printer with 20,000 millimeters per second squared of acceleration, giving you incredibly fast and precise prints. Plus it comes equipped with the AMS, the automatic material system, letting you print in up to 4 colors or materials in a given print. And to make it even better, we've upgraded this particular X1C with our Mako hotend. The Mako has a roll cage design that allows you to do effortless nozzle swaps while delivering unmatched reliability and performance. Up to 60% faster printing with some materials. This setup is specifically designed for those that want speed, precision, and versatility. So how do you join the fun? It's simple. Shop any deal during the 12 days of Christmas to earn double entries. Remember, double entries apply from December 9th to December 20th, and the sweepstakes run from December 3rd to December 20th. You can also sign up for the sweepstakes for free using the link in the description below. Terms and conditions apply. Don't wait. Celebrate the holidays with us, score some amazing deals, and maybe even win the ultimate 3D printing setup for your office or home. Happy printing, good luck in the sweepstakes, and don't forget to stay zesty.